Hi guys, it's Laura from Tuxedo Planners. How are you guys doing today? I'm here with you to do a budget with me to prepare for the month of June, and I'm in my deluxe monthly Erin Condren planner, and I'll be using a kit from my shop, and this is my June flamingo kit that I'm using, and I have the large washi, weekly check-ins, some deco washi, my June budget, variable income, sinking funds, transactions, and debt tracker. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I turn towards June. This is the page right before the month, as you can see right there. So I'm going to go on and start with this page. Let me pick this stuff up. I'm going to be losing stickers. All right, so let's get you in frame here. There we go. All right, so first of all, I'm going to start by laying down some of my large washi. Now, this kit is designed for the 7x9 planner. So this is going to look just a little off in my planner because I have the deluxe. And I generally only do stickers for the 7x9. So I've got the washi down, so I'm going to lay my script sticker down for my June budget. There we go. And I'm going to put my income here underneath. Let's see, I may have to pull this just a little bit closer to me. And here we go. And there. All right. Then I'm going to leave about several spaces open for the next one. All right, so, oops, accidentally ripped that, my bad. So I'm going to leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think I'm going to come down here and put the end budget down on this line here. There we go. Sorry about that, I kind of ripped it there. The next one I'm going to do is my expenses. There we go. And the expenses are good. Yep. All right, so the expenses are going to go, oh, my bad, wait a minute. This is the bottom washi for the expenses. So let me go on and put that down. There we go. This is the expense header here. Not sure why these are having such a hard time coming up. There we go. Oh, sticker paper is giving me terrible today, isn't it? All right, so here's my expense header, and I'll list all my expenses here. There we go. Got that, and I got the bottom down here. Actually, I need to move this up a line because I need to put something else down here. And all of my stickers are on removable mat, so you can easily just pull them up and move them. But I'm going to move this one up here because I have my budgeted savings sticker that I need to put down on the bottom down here. So I'm going to go on and do that. All right, so for this page, what I'll do is I'll come in and I'll put our household income here, what I budgeted for, what the actual was, and any plus or minus there. My expenses I'll list out here, and I'll probably run some washi down the side. In fact, let me get some washi. I probably will run this red one down the side here. Here we go. And I'll run, I'll just take this and I'll run this down the side generally. You get my slicing tool. There. And there. All right, now I'll run another strip from here to here. You know, just because we have to budget doesn't mean it shouldn't be at least halfway attractive. You know, budgeting, no, it's not our favorite deal. I know, at least it's not my favorite. If budgeting's your favorite. I don't know. He must got a lot more money than I do, but budgeting is not my thing. So if I have to do it, I at least want to make it fairly pretty. So this will be where I put in my expenses, my budgeting, and my actual down here. All right, so we got that page done. Then my monthly view, what I generally do is I made this little clip, and not my original idea. I got this from Selvos, that this is how they track their expenses, and these are my categories here. You can kind of see that. I just got one of the little compliment cards there and put the clips on and just do that. And then I made stickers that coordinate with that, so I can just track my expenses there. All right, so we have that down. So I'm going to skip this page for now, and we're going to come over here. And the next thing I'll put down will probably be my weekly check-in. So let me get another header strip for that. I love these little flamingos. I thought they were really cute. Get my weekly check-in script sticker there, put that down. You guys with me here? Let me flip my thing here. It's easier to see these this deluxe planner is like really big. All right, so let's get that. Oh, geez, I just ripped that. I need to learn to be a lot more careful because I just ripped my sticker. And when I mean I ripped it good. So we're going to try and just piece it back together. There we go. It'll do. It'll do. Let's try and be a little more gentle. All right, this is going to be probably week 2. And then I'll put one more on this page for week 3. There we go. And then I'll flip over. And this will be week 4 and 5. And then we'll put week 5 towards the bottom here. I am all over the place today, guys. And then dropping everything. And then the totals, I will total down here at the very bottom. Let's see. Yep. Okay. So I'm going to total this at the very bottom. There we go. So that's my weekly check-in stickers down. And you've got your week, your category spent and remaining, and you can do washi strips like I did, or just draw a line and just put the with a pen. I'll use this micron, and just draw a little line there, like so. That way you can just list it out. There's your categories. Your spent. And your remaining. So you can kind of see how that goes. All right, so for the next part, we got that one down. We're going to do the let's do the debt tracker next. So we'll put our another large washi down. We'll put our script sticker down for our debt. There we go. And we'll list our debt here. And our debt totals we'll put down here. Don't have a lot of debts. I don't need to take up the whole page for that. So I'm just going to put it there for that. So we got our debt down. Then I will do sinking funds. And with sinking funds, I'm going to take 2 of these headers here, and I'm just going to put them down to make one large one, which is an option that you can do on these. That's the good thing about everything being a la carte. You can just pick and choose what you need to do. So we got that there. And I'll put the sinking funds script here. Categories here. Once more, I'm ripping it. I am bad today with ripping stuff. And then I'll put the total at the bottom. I generally don't do a lot with sinking funds right now. All right, so got that there. So that's your sinking funds. And let's see what else I got. Transactions, I generally will do in the back, so I'm gonna leave this page blank. But if you did have something, you could probably do, like if you had variable income, you could use variable income on this, and you could use one large washi strip, or you could just use the two smaller and put together to make one large. But I track my transactions in the back, as you can see here, and I use it with one of these Erin Condren clips. So I'm going to leave another page for May, and then I'm going to turn to the green, and it coordinates with the June month for Erin Condren, and I'm going to use my last large washi strip, and I'm going to put that up here, and my transactions are here. Put my script sticker down there, and put this guy down here. There we go. And then however many pages it takes to do that, then I'll have that there. Now I do run washi down this one, as you can see here, and I'm probably going to do that now. I do like to run washi on this one. So this Erin Condren washi that came in that seasonal box is really bad. I could see why she gave a discount on a $10 gift thing, because the washi is like not sticky at all. It's not exactly the best. All right, let me see if I can cut this off some. It's not so raggedy looking. And that just broke. Oh, good Lord, have mercy on us. All right, well, I'll do this one later, because this is completely messed up. Seriously. All right, well, I'll come back to do that one. All right, so the only thing I have left is variable income. I generally don't use this one, even though my husband's income does tend to be variable. And in fact, I probably, you know what? I probably will go on and use it. Let me get over here. I'll use it on this page because of his income being variable. Part of our income that comes into our house is variable, and part of our income is not variable. So we'll use them both. In fact, that's probably a good idea. I like that idea. Say more than just a hat rack. Come up with an idea, more than just a hat rack. So we'll put this down to make one large washi strip here. And let's see. Here we go. Oh, no, it's crooked. Crooked alert, crooked alert. Still crooked. Still crooked. Eventually, I will get it where it is not crooked. There we go. Oh, no, here, you know what? Let me just turn it around. It's probably easier, guys, if I just turn this sucker around and do it this way. There we go. Much better. It's still crooked, but you know what? I'm tired of fighting with it. All right, let's put our variable income strip down here. And we'll put budgeted here. And this one I'll just use for my husband's income. And because the other income, like I said, is set. It doesn't deviate. So I'll put his income down here. And there we go. So I don't need the expenses, of course. So I've got that, and I have a washi thing left over, so we're good. All right, so let's do a quick flip through the month of June. All right, so starting for the month of June, we have our June budget on this page, which we have the June budget, I'll put our stable income that doesn't change here. I'll total it here. Our expenses are here with total expenses and our budgeted savings down on the bottom. Then you come into your monthly view, which is where I'm going to store this guy right here. And he'll be stored in there with my stickers. And I just paper clip this to my binder. There we go. And with my key, and we come over here, and I have my weekly check-ins for week 1 through 5. So we have categories spent and remaining. Then on the next page, I have my debt tracker, my sinking funds, my variable income here. That brings us into July. And then in the very back, I have my transaction log for the month of June. So that's how I'm going to set up my budget for this month, guys. And if you are interested in any of these kits or products, you can find them in my Etsy shop, which will be listed below at TuxedoPlanners. And if you have any comments for me or suggestions about budgeting, sir, I would love to hear them. Please leave the comments below for me. And if you like my content, please think about sharing with others and hitting the subscribe button to join my family, and the notification bell on the side to be notified of when I upload content. And with that, guys, I'm off. Bye. Have a good day. Bye.